Hello, it's Claire Winter here, going live this morning to talk, at midday, to talk about how to get press coverage for your business. So this is a favorite topic of mine. I've helped probably hundreds of entrepreneurs now get great press coverage for their business. So first of all, why should you be getting press coverage for your business? Well, firstly, it builds trust and authority. It makes you, it elevates you as an expert at what you do. It also helps you reach your desired audience. And this is when you need to do a deep dive into where, what kind of media your ideal customer, likes to listen, watch, or read. So that's when you need to do a bit of research. So, if you don't know what your audience likes to consume, ask them what favorite podcasts, what newspapers, what blogs, what entrepreneurs do they follow, so you get an idea of the kind of content that they're consuming. It also means you get a wider reach. You get backlinks from websites that have got a high domain authority, which will also help you get found in organic search. And the best thing about it, it's free. You can do it yourself. You don't need an expensive PR agency. You can literally figure out what your story is and start pitching it. The other thing you can do is send out something more formal, which is a press release. And that will also get those favored backlinks back to your site. So the reason why you do that as an entrepreneur is that you can get those, what we like to call a badge of trust. So you might have noticed some entrepreneurs and businesses will have a banner with the different logos of the media they've been featured in. And again, that's elevating them as an expert at what they do. And again, be careful about copyright. I've seen lots of people sharing screenshots of media coverage and putting it on their websites. You are in breach of copyright, so please don't do that, which is why people use the logos of the media outlets that they've been in. So that's one thing to really watch out for. So, press coverage can be really, really powerful thing, and it's not just the mainstream media we're talking about. We're talking about blogs, we're talking about podcasters, and we're talking about influencers. So if a particular influencer features your product, you can boost your sales massively. Now, don't get me wrong, a lot of influencers charge an awful lot of money depending on who they are, but sometimes they do just genuinely share products they've been gifted or products that they love, and that's all about building relationships. So again, there's lots of different ways of getting your business featured in the press, and I've explained the benefits. So one of the easiest ways to find media opportunities is to reach out and respond to the press. And my favorite for this still is Twitter. So if you're not on Twitter, this is a good reason why to follow the hashtag journo request. There are also press matchmaking Facebook groups on Facebook, which is another thing you can explore. Often they're free. And again, journalists are seeking out case studies and people that they want to feature in their articles. So again, if you're on Twitter, monitor journo request and you will start getting a really good idea about the kind of stories the press are interested in. And that can help you formulate your first story to pitch to the press. And I've been doing guesting in a press room on Clubhouse, and I'm going to be hosting one this Friday at midday with the editor of the Homeworker magazine. So if you're not on Clubhouse yet and you would like an invite, I have got an invite. So please put Clubhouse in the comments below, and I can invite you to our press room on Clubhouse this Friday at midday. So for me, I absolutely love helping entrepreneurs pitch to the press. It's a really exciting piece of work. I just got an email from a client saying, I've got to write you a testimonial. She'd just released a new book and Good Housekeeping featured it. She got an interview in Velvet magazine, lots and lots of local press and radio interviews. And she's also being featured on lots of blogs as well. So it's really helped her with her book launch, and it can help many small business owners too, for lots of different things. If you're product-based or service-based, it can help. So do put Clubhouse in the comments if you would like an invite to our press room.